Hey people! Keeping by this whole thing of speaking of these good magazines and books that one can read, people, with regard to magazines also, I personally like reading magazines from cover to cover. As in, like, normally most of us, we just skim through a magazine, right? But that's what, cover to cover. But not every magazine is worth reading cover to cover, because a lot of it, many magazines carry a lot of gossip and random things. But one magazine that is sets that is different, like, simply since you could learn something in every page, and that is this particular magazine called Healthcare India. you know uh, it's got uh, uh, Urvashi Rautela on the cover. No, people, I'm stating all this since, with regard to, that's what, like, magazines, I feel, much like how it is in newspapers, responsible journalism is important. So, Healthcare India has writers who are doctors who are contributing to this magazine. So, quite naturally, it is like every page you read, it enlightens you. Really. I mean, so I think that is the most important thing in a magazine, that it should be informative. You should, having spent that time reading it, you should have learned something. So, Healthcare India, in the health segment, I would say it's a Hyderabad based magazine, but it is really, people, if you all want to know what is the latest in the healthcare industry, this is the magazine to read. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.